Worried about clicking on unsafe links? Wouldn't it be great to identify harmful URLs and enhance your online safety? Introducing Malicious URL Detection, a machine learning model that identifies URLs as safe or malicious. It helps users stay secure online. How it works. Users input a URL. The system analyzes it using a trained machine learning model. The model is based on lexical features. The model also considers domain-based features. Plus, it enhances your cybersecurity awareness. With malicious URL detection, you'll know which websites are safe,